I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today's video is part 2 of making this asymmetrical top. I'm going to show you how to take a slashed back like this and transform it into this using a technique I call weaving. It's also called braiding or laddering. If you're as excited as I am, let's get crafting. This is our back. I'm going to fold it in half the long way, just like this. Our side seam is in the middle. And this is the side I want to cut on. Yoda's on the front, and this design is on the back. Now remember, when you cut down the back, you want to only cut in half as far as what you want the whole opening to be. So I want my whole opening to be about 8 inches, so I'm only going to cut in 4 inches. A quicker way to do this without having to mark your chalk all the way down is to just place the ruler 4 inches in and cut in until you get to the ruler. Now let's unfold the shirt and stretch these out. We're going to start the laddering over here on our Yoda shirt. View a diagram of both types of weaves and then I'll demonstrate them for you. So what you want to do is take the strand underneath and put it underneath and over the strand above. Grab the next one through and over the strand above. Grab the next one, it goes through and over the strand above. And you just do that all the way down. And now look at that nice weave you've got there. See? And then when you get to the bottom, I just cut this in half, this bottom loop here, and tie it together. And now I'll show you the same technique over here. You can get really creative with this. See how I've done it down the side of the shirt as well? All you have to do is make slits going down the side and do that same ladder pattern. And now I'm going to show you that same weaving pattern, but with the twist option. Take the one underneath, put it over the one above, and before you put the next one through, do a little twist so that there's a loop. Now it goes through the loop. So to do another one, pull it through and twist. Pull it through and twist. Pull it through and twist. Pull it through, twist. We now have that same exact laddering effect, but it has the twist. The twist actually does help keep it in place so that it will stay right in the middle of your weave. Thanks for joining us today and learning how to make an asymmetrical top with laddering, bows on the side, and symmetrical slits down the front. In this fun outfit, you'll be all ready for your next festival or maybe just a backyard rave. So, if you had fun with us, please smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can get a new video every day. Until next time, stay crafty. And slits down the front. You can wear it to your next festival or party in your own backyard.